I'm going to be teaching you top-down analysis with no BS guide. This is step by step how to analyze the forex market, right? This is chart approach, and this is the first episode of this year.
Now listen, I personally use top-down analysis to analyze all my trade. Now, if you're an intermediate trader or an advanced trader and you do not use top-down analysis, well, I don't know. But top-down analysis, which is also known as multiple time frame analysis, is one of the best way of analyzing the market, no matter the type of trader you are. If you're a swing trader, a day trader, or a scalper. Now, this is Chart Approach episode 2. What I do on Chart Approach is I come here every Friday to analyze the market from an higher time frame down to the lower time frame, right? I did for GBP USD. Now I'm going to be doing for USD JPY and other pairs as well. So if you want me to do for any other pair, put it on the comment section quickly. Let me go to my screen without wasting much of your time. All right, so guys, welcome inside of my screen. Quickly, I've not done any analysis on this USD JPY, so I'm going to be using top-down analysis, whereby I'm going to be analyzing from the higher time frame down to the lower time frame. And for those of you who know, you know I'm a swing trader, and I normally my entries are most times on the 4 hours time frame, 4 hours, 2 hours time frame, right? So I'm probably going to be stopping my analysis on the 4 hours time frame, right? Quickly, first off, you have to understand what are the uses of each particular time frame. Like for the higher time frame, what is the monthly time frame used for? What is the weekly time frame used for? What is the daily time frame used for? And what is the 4 hours time frame used for? Do you understand? Now, I created a video on the uses of time frame. You can check it out probably after watching this video, or I might link the video probably or I might link the video to this particular one, or you can check the description of this video. And also, for those of you that want to be getting my trade insights and signals, there will be a link in the description whereby you can join my Telegram channel, right? I have a Telegram community of traders, about 30 something traders. You can be part of them. That's if you want to. And also that's if you're also a beginner, you can also join, because I also drop educative, or I want to start dropping educative content in that channel, right? Now, this is USD JPY. Quickly, now we're going to be like zooming out and see what has happened in this chart over the longest time. Okay, now as you can see, this is not the whole data, right? But this, we can make use of this particular data. Now, what you do on your monthly time frame is just to get the flow of the market. Which direction is the market heading to? Do you get which direction is the market heading to? And map out some key levels. Map out some key levels that, oh, if price gets to this particular level, price might likely react to these levels, right? Now, quickly, I'm going to be mapping out my key levels and looking at this chart now. Which direction, like which current direction will you say is going to? Is it going upward direction, downward direction, or sideways? Obviously, this market is going upward, right? Now, let us first off, before getting to this particular point, we're going to be our analysis is mainly going to be based on this place, right? Mainly based on this place. But forex trading, we are using price action, and price action involves using past data, and these ones are part of past data. These are part of past data. So we're not just using this particular data, which is still past, but like we're not just using just this data, right? Now, this is a key resistance here. There's a key resistance here. And as you can see, this key resistance, market got to this level, fell down, get to this level, fell down. Now, later broke this level and later got to this point, right? And now there's also, let me clone this, there's also a level here. So the most important thing is just understanding how to map out these levels correctly, right? How to map out these levels correctly. Now, market got to this level and then fell down to this point because it went up, retested this particular level, started coming down again, right? Now, this is the all-time lowest it has gotten to, that the market has gotten to. That's based on the information on my chart, right? So the market got to this level, fell down, break above, retest this level and get down to this point, and then retested and come to this point, and then you can see how I'm using to explain the market, how the market has been going ever since the movement of the market. If you check, this one is not like a counter trend of this market. Do you get? It's like a counter. There's what we call counter trend. Counter trend is like form of trend that is against the actual trend. There's an actual trend. The actual trend for this particular market is the upward trend, which is something like this, right? Which is something like this. Now the market is moving like this, and this one is kind of a retracement, which is a counter trend. And then there was a break at this point. Market got to this level. You know, there's a resistance to touch at this point here, first touch and second touch. The market got to this level, we broke it. This was a candlestick use and break, we test and then continue going up. And then it later fell to this point. Now, this is the current point the market is. As the market is currently on in this point. Now, on my main chart where I do my analysis, right? Because this one, I just decided to come to this stuff to do analysis. It's not giving all the candlestick because there are other like key levels at this top here, right? I don't want to like delete those ones and then do analysis on those pair again. Probably in the next video. That's why you should subscribe. In the next stuff, I'll do analysis on that. And I want to try and be keeping this stuff very short because a lot of people do not watch in the end, right? Well, I'm creating the content for serious-minded people that are willing to learn. Now, back to the topic, right? The market gets to this point, fell to this point, right? So meaning that there's a level here, there's a key level, there's a level at this point. I won't initially say it's a key level, but there's a level at this point here, and there's a level here. Now, if you check very well, this market, like when the market is going up, that's the meaning of an uptrend now. If a market is going, let's say the market started going up from this point, right? Went did some kind of retracement here. Let's say this is just the break and retest, and then around this point started going up, and then it got to this point, it rejected, right? This is kind of like the retracement. It came down, then went to this point. Instead of creating an higher high, it has created a high, it has created a low. Instead of creating an higher high, it then started falling down, creating an equal high at this point here. Creating an equal high at this point. You can see the wick of that's the touch of this candle. There's another, and the market currently is even at that particular level, right? Then the market fell down to this point and then broke this level, and this is the all-time high it has created. There are other highs like the market has created, but like this one is like the current high the market has created. Do you understand? The market created this high here. For those of you, I believe I'm creating this chart approach. Note, it is for those persons that have been trading before and understand market structure already. So for those of you that are complete beginner and you want to learn how to trade forex, use the link in the description to reach out to me for a one-on-one coaching service, right? But for those of you that have been trading before, I believe you understand what I'm saying, right? Now, what the market did now is simple. The market created an high at this point, then came back down to this place, created an equal low, a low here, then created a low here, it created a low at this point. There's a first touch and there's a second touch. Now the market is now going up. Instead of getting to this point and breaking it, do you get? The market now is now falling down, meaning that this one is not the highest point. It's not like kind of they want to be change of trend, right? Now like this, I won't say there's any change of trend yet, right? Because the market can just come to this level and test, like just come to this level and then start spiking up again to the upside. You get? But if the market breaks this level to around this point, like if it breaks this level to around this point, most likely, right, it might come to this point here. It might come to this point here. But note that this particular market here, let me make this particular market here is kind of that's the current trend. If you go to the daily time frame, is the current trend on the daily time frame, right? There is like a low, a high, retracement, created a new low, a higher high, then this one is now looking like a retracement. So this first this thing, if it gets to this level and break this level and retest, it. So let me go to the weekly time frame and see if there's anything I'll do on the weekly time frame, right? This is one of like my favorite pair to do analysis on. So let me make those ones show quickly. Let me make those this all this stuff show on the weekly time frame, right? I don't want to start like weekly. This is the weekly time frame. And now note that I said that this market created a low at this point, then created a high at this point, created a low at this point, then created a high. If you can see that this high and this high are like almost equal highs, right? This one is just like little. It's just little that this one is just more than it. So it's not like it's not an high like that. Do you get? So it is kind of like an equal high. It's kind of an equal high, so it's not really like an high like that. Like it's higher than it too, but it's not. You get the point. You get what I'm trying to say. And now, the thing is that if this market continue breaking down, and if it gets to this point, if it breaks this level here, right? Me personally, I feel like this market is going to go up, right? But I'm not the one controlling the market. I'm not the one controlling the market. Let's say if this market breaks this level at this point, right? If it breaks this level at this point, so let me remove this from the weekly time frame. Now, if the market breaks this particular level, let me put this stuff here long. If the market breaks this particular level, that's if it's able to get to this level and break it. If it breaks this level, the next level target is somewhere here. So I said it first at Trader Chris YouTube channel, right? I said it first. If this market continues coming down, if it gets to this level and is able to break this particular level, the market is coming. As long as the market stays below this resistance line, this market is still going up. Do you get? As long as the market stay below this line here, this zone I have drawn, I said it first on my channel. So if you see somebody saying it somewhere else, just know that you guys have come to watch my video, and you get, as long as this market stays below this level, this market is still going up, right? How do I know that? The market, let's say the market has created a low at this point. It created a high at this point, created a lower high at this point, right? Created a higher high at this point. Now the market is coming down and it's showing this is the candlestick is showing. Although the market tried to like give a bullish engulfing, this whole thing now, you guys need to understand market structure. This whole thing now is like a bearish trend. If you scale to the daily time frame, it's a bearish trend on the daily time frame, right? This is like a bearish trend on the daily time frame. Do you get? It's a bearish trend on the daily time frame. Now, as long as this bearish trend does not break this level, the market is still going up. But if this market breaks this level and starts trading around below 148.00, this market is coming down. As long as this market, if it breaks below this, around this level here, around where my zone is, the market is coming down. Do you get? The market is coming down. But now like this, look at what the market is doing. It's created a high. So to me now, this market is looking like an equal high based on the reason why I won't say it's an equal high. It's an equal high because it broke it a little bit. Do you get? The market just broke it a little bit. But if this is to be an equal high, just know that this market is coming like first touch, second touch, and this market, if it gets to this point, to break this level. But if it gets to this point and then you see that the market start going up, here will be the next level target, and before you start seeing that the market wants to start going up. Now, let's see how to know if this market would start going up. Let's see. Let me take you to my daily time frame now. Then this is where what we're focusing on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, this is what we are focusing on. Do you get? This is what we are focusing on here on the daily time frame. If this market breaks this level, here is the next level target. But as long as this market stays below this level, if it does not break this support line, it will not get to this point. But if it breaks, as long as it stays below this support line, this market might likely go up, right? But once it breaks this support line, you see that the next level target will be somewhere here. So chart approach Friday next week. I'm also going to be coming by God's grace to this market, and we are going to see what is chart approach next week, which is on Friday. We're also going to be coming to this market and seeing what happened on this particular market, right? That's if the market later broke this zone, yeah, because today is Friday and the market is closing today. So the next 5 days for on Saturday next week, the next 5 days for next week is either the market gets to this level and then start rejecting upward, right? Now, me personally, right, I am watching this market, and this market, I am looking more of buys in this market, but not now though, not now. I am only looking more of buy in such market if this market breaks this counter trend. Because like this now, this is a counter trend, right? Breaks this counter trend. But as long as this market is below this point, and if it's able to like get to this point and break this counter trend, now just know that the market here will be the first target. I hope you guys are learning. Even me personally, I'm doing analysis on this pair. I'm also learning. First target, the first level the market will get to, the next level it will get to, and then note that this thing is going to take this, because this is an higher tempo, right? Now, and as swing traders, you should also be patient enough to place trade. Most of you see, let me be honest, most persons that go on like lower time frame, right? I've been trading for 4 years now, and I know all these things. Most persons that go on lower time frame, it's not that there are people, I know a lot of people that make money on lower time frame, but most of them or most unprofitable traders are on the lower time frame. Most unprofitable trader, if you are a swing trader, it is most likely that you are a profitable trader. And if you are not profitable, it is most likely that you are at least break even. Do you get? At least break even. How am I going to be entering this market? If I scale to the 4 hours time frame, right, then I'll see a clearer picture of this particular market here, which is this downtrend, right? Now, one of my students called this trade in my this thing, in Forex Educator, right? One of my students called this sell, right? Me personally, what I was seeing was, oh, this market is going to buy, because what I sent to the group was the market is going like this. So shout out to what's this guy? Shout out to Michael. He called this straight, right? I drew something like this, and I'm still standing on it though, but I'm no longer standing on this counter trend holding or this retracement stuff holding, because it has already broken it. Now, what I'm saying is that as long as if this market stay below this place, it might break this place, and if it's able to break this level, we can start selling to the upside, right? Now, as long as this market, if it breaks this level, just know that this place is the next level target. We're coming to this level. So I said it here first, right? Now, those of you that are like swing day traders, you can like see scale down to your lower time, like 15 minutes and all that. Now you already know what is going on the daily, from the 1 month to the 4 hours time frame. I believe this video was very helpful, right? And if this video was helpful, I want you to let me know on the comment section. And if there's any pair you want me to also analyze, let me know in the comment section. And note, join my Telegram channel. Why? I'm going to be doing top-down analysis very soon. I'll just be posting every pair, like every day, on the Telegram channel, right? So if you want to join and you want to learn more about trading, you want to become profitable, just like myself, right? Use the link to join. And now I'll be going for a $50,000 account. Those of you that know, I dropped videos documenting my day every Saturday. So the next one is coming out every Saturday. So I'm going to be getting a $50,000 prop firm account. And if I get the $50,000 prop firm account, hopefully we pass it and make withdrawals. I don't know. Let's see what's going to happen, right? Now, listen, for those of you that are complete beginners, that or you have been trading before, you are still not profitable, but you are looking for this person that can actually guide you and teach you to become profitable or to get to a point where you become profitable. I want you to use the link in the description. Reach out to me, right? I do a one-on-one coaching. It is not it's not a 1 month mentorship or a 2 months mentorship. It is a one-on-one coaching where I teach you how to trade like a professional, how to trade and how to enter the market like a professional, right? Now, if you want that kind of knowledge, use the link in the description, reach out to me, and I will be glad to help, right? And with all this being said, my name is Trader Chris. Thanks for watching. Stay profitable.